Okay students, once again we are starting with our topic ratio and proportion, exercise 8.1, question number 5. Okay, what is being given over here? Two numbers are in ratio of 2:3. What is being given? Two numbers are in ratio of 2:3. If the sum of the number is 135, find the numbers. Two numbers are in ratio. Okay, so what is ratio given over here? Ratio is being given as 2:3, and if the sum is being given, the sum of the number is 135. Okay, sum means what? Total. So total of the both number is 135. Find the numbers. So what are the ratio? 2:3. So what I will do? 2x. Same question we have done in our question number 3. Okay, same way, 2x plus 3x is equal to 135. Now what I will do? Total it. So it will be given me as 5x, which will be equal to 135. Now 5 will be multiplied, so I am taking it over here, it will get as divided. So 135 divided by 5, which will be giving me as over here 5 2s are 10. From 13 if I am minusing 10, so 3 is being remaining over here, and 5 7s are 35. So what is my x? 27. Now what are the ratio? 2x or 3x? 2:3. So the other numbers will be 2 into x, that is 2 into 27. Over here it will be 2 into 27. Over here 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, 1, 5, 54. The first number is 54 over here. And what is the other question over here? That is the 3x, ratio is 3x. So 3 into 27. So over here 7 3 is 21, 1, 2 will be carried over here, 6, 7, 8. So other number is 81. Now if I am adding both the numbers, what I am getting over here is 5 and over here is 135. Total of the two number is 135. So my ratio is over here 2:3. First number is my 54 and the other number is my 81. Okay. Now moving on to the question number 6. Two numbers are in ratio of 7:10. What is being given? Two numbers are in ratio of 7:10. If the larger number is 140, what is the smaller number? Now what is the ratio given over here? What is the ratio given over here? 7:10, and one of the larger number is being given. A larger number is being given, that is 140. So we have to find the smaller number. Now how we can find that which is the larger number according to this ratio? So which ratio is greater over here? 10. So the larger number will be suitable for that only. So how it is? 7 upon 10 is equal to 140. Okay, so smaller number over here. Now what do I have to do? Cross multiply. So what I will do? 7 multiply by 140. 7 multiply by 140 is equal to x multiplied by 10. Okay, see over here, the ratio is greater over here, that is my 10. So a larger number will also over here, so 140. See over here also my 3 was my greater number, greater ratio. So my greater number is also over here. So when we are having smaller ratio, the answer will be also small. When we are having greater ratio, the answer will be also bigger over here. Same concept. When the ratio is greater, the number will be also greater over here. Now what do I have to do? Cross multiply. So 7 multiplied by 140 is equal to x multiplied by 10. Now 10 is multiplied, when I am taking it over here, it will get as divided. So 7 multiplied by 140 upon 10 is equal to x. Okay, so over here 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled. No need of 1 because any number divided by 1 is same number itself. Okay, so 7 into 4, 28, 2 is being carried, 7, and over here 9. So what is my x? X means what? My smaller number. Therefore my smaller number is equal to 98. Okay, understood over here? Now we will continue our question number 7. Okay, now question number 7. Are the given ratio equivalent or not? We have to find it. The question over here is 30 upon 50 and 50 upon 75. Both are different numbers. So we have to find are they equal or not. Equivalent means what? Which sign should be there? That is equal to sign should be there among them. Okay. Now 30 upon 50, we will be taking one number each. Okay. 30 upon 50. Now if I am cutting 0 over here, what number will I get? 3 upon 5. One number which I will get, that is my 3 upon 5. Now what is my other number? 50 upon 75. Now 0 and 5 are coming whose table? That is table 5. So divided by 5. Okay. Now in 5 table where 50 is coming, that is 10 upon, in 5 table where 75 is coming, 5 1 is 5, remaining is 2, 5 5 is 25. Okay. Now again 10 and 15. So again which table they are coming? Again in table of 5. So again divided by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 50. Now one number I am having, that is my 3 upon 5. Other number which I am having, that is my 2 upon 3. Are 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 equal? Are they equal? No. So which sign? This is sign of non-equivalent. So that's why I will be telling that 30 upon 50 is not equivalent to 50 upon 75. Okay, understood? Okay. Now moving on to our question number B. 56 upon 88, 21 upon 33. Now over here 56 upon 88. So 56 upon 88. Now what we will do? Compare it. So what I will do? Divide by. Now 56 and 88 both are coming in table of 8 itself. So divide by 8, or else you can divide it by 2, 2, 2. Okay, no issue about it. Now in table where 56 coming, 8 7 is 56, and over here 8 1 is 8, 8 1 is 8. Now it cannot be divided further because 7 and 11 both are the prime numbers which are not coming in any of the other tables. Okay. Now over here 21, 33. Again both are coming in table of 3. Both are coming in table of 3. So 3 7 is 21 and 3 1 is 3 and 3 1 is 3. Again 7 upon 11 are not coming. Now you can see over here 7 upon 11 and over here also 7 upon 11. Are they equal? Yes, because my numerator as well as my denominator both should be equal. Over here both the numerator and denominator should be equal. Okay. Now are they equal? Yes. Therefore my 56 upon 88 which will be equal to 21 upon 33. Okay. Students, understood over here? Now question number 8 we will do in our next lecture. Okay students, next video. Thank you students.